The iPhone 17 series is about to make your iPhone 16 look ancient. We're talking double the front camera resolution, the thinnest iPhone ever, and Apple is completely killing off one model while adding a game-changing new one. Should you upgrade? Let's find out. What's up, everyone? The iPhone 17 leaks are wild, and if you're holding an iPhone 16, 16 Pro, or 16 Pro Max, you're probably wondering if it's worth the upgrade. Today, we're doing a complete head-to-head comparison. iPhone 17 versus iPhone 16 series. We'll cover every difference, every upgrade, and I'll tell you exactly who should and shouldn't upgrade. First, let's talk about the elephant in the room. The iPhone 16 series gave us 4 models: iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, and iPhone 16 Pro Max. But the iPhone 17 series is completely different. iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max. Notice what's missing? The iPhone 16 Plus is dead, completely replaced by the iPhone 17 Air. Apple killed the Plus because it just wasn't selling well enough. But the iPhone 17 Air isn't just a rebrand. It's an ultra-thin design with a 6.6-inch display that's positioned as a premium device, not a budget option like the Plus was. This is where things get really interesting. Every single iPhone 16 model has a 12-megapixel front camera. Every single iPhone 17 model is getting a 24-megapixel front camera. That's literally double the resolution for your selfies, FaceTime calls, and video content. For rear cameras, the iPhone 16 and iPhone 17 standard models are pretty similar. Both have dual camera setups with wide and ultra-wide lenses. But the Pro models? That's where Apple is going crazy. The iPhone 16 Pro has a triple camera system with a 48-megapixel main camera, 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and 12-megapixel telephoto. The iPhone 17 Pro is getting a triple 48-megapixel system. Every single lens gets upgraded to 48 megapixels. Plus, there's a new mechanical aperture that lets you control depth of field like a professional camera. The iPhone 16 Pro Max gets the same camera upgrades as the regular Pro, with enhanced zoom capabilities expected. Apple's changing the game with materials. The iPhone 16 series uses titanium for Pro models and aluminum for standard models. The iPhone 17 Pro models are getting a completely new build: part glass, part aluminum rear casing that's supposed to be way more durable. But here's the controversial part. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is getting thicker and heavier. Apple is prioritizing battery life over thinness, which has people divided. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Air is going to be the thinnest iPhone ever made. The Pro models are also getting a different MagSafe magnet layout, so your existing MagSafe accessories might not work perfectly. The iPhone 16 series runs on A18 chips for standard models and A18 Pro for Pro models. The iPhone 17 series will have A19 and A19 Pro chips, respectively. These should be faster, but honestly, the iPhone 16 chips are already incredibly powerful. The real story is battery life. The iPhone 16 Pro Max currently has the largest iPhone battery ever. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is getting an even bigger battery, the biggest in iPhone history. That's why it's getting thicker. Apple is choosing battery life over design elegance. The iPhone 17 Air will probably have a smaller battery because of its ultra-thin design. So that's a trade-off you'll need to consider. Let's get specific about each comparison. iPhone 16 vs iPhone 17. This is a pretty minor upgrade. You're getting the 24-megapixel front camera, A19 chip, and maybe some design tweaks. If you have an iPhone 16, this probably isn't worth it. iPhone 16 Plus versus iPhone 17 Air. These are completely different products. The Plus was a budget-friendly large phone with a 6.7-inch display and dual cameras. The Air is a premium ultra-thin phone with a 6.6-inch display and single camera. This isn't a direct replacement. iPhone 16 Pro versus iPhone 17 Pro. This is a significant upgrade. You're getting triple 48-megapixel cameras, mechanical aperture control, and the new build materials. If you're into photography, this matters. iPhone 16 Pro Max versus iPhone 17 Pro Max. This is the biggest upgrade in the lineup. Massive battery, thicker design, and all the camera improvements. If you prioritize battery life and cameras, this is your phone. The iPhone 16 series starts at $799 for the base model, $899 for the Plus, $999 for the Pro, and $1,799 for the Pro Max. The iPhone 17 series will likely see price increases. The iPhone 17 might start around $799 to $829. The iPhone 17 Air will probably cost $899 to $999 because it's positioned as a premium device. The iPhone 17 Pro could start at $999 to $1,049, and the Pro Max is confirmed to start above $1,999. Here's my honest advice. Skip the upgrade if you have an iPhone 16 Pro or Pro Max and don't specifically need the camera upgrades. Skip it if you're happy with your iPhone 16 Plus because there's no direct replacement. Skip it if you're on a budget and your current phone works fine. Consider upgrading if you want the thinnest iPhone ever with the iPhone 17 Air. If you're a photographer who needs those camera upgrades, or if you need maximum battery life with the Pro Max. Definitely upgrade if you're still on iPhone 14 or older, if you need professional camera features, or if you just want the latest and greatest. So there you have it, the complete iPhone 17 versus iPhone 16 breakdown. The iPhone 17 Air is the most interesting addition. The Pro models get serious camera upgrades, and that Pro Max battery is going to be insane. But honestly, if you just got an iPhone 16, you're probably fine waiting for the iPhone 18. Which iPhone 17 model are you most interested in? Are you upgrading from your iPhone 16 or waiting it out? Let me know in the comments. If this comparison helped you decide, hit that like button and subscribe for more Apple coverage. I'll see you in the next one.